boys and girls. I'm going to be modeling an acrostic poem with the word school. I'm going to model it in two ways. The first way is going to be just using words, and the second way is going to be stretching or challenging my thinking and using longer phrases or sentences. So let's get started. Before we start, it's important to remember that school is my topic, which means all of my words are going to need to be something that we think about when we think about school. So let's get started with S. When I think of school, something I think about that starts with S are students. So my S is already there, I'm just gonna add on students. Next, a word that I think about that starts with C that's related to school is classrooms. Next, I think about hallways. Schools have lots of hallways. After that, O is a little tricky. I had to do some brainstorming and some thinking. And in our classroom, posted on our board, we have objectives, which are things that we're trying to achieve in our classroom. So I'm going to put objectives. It's a big word. The next O, I'm thinking about the word observe, which means when you look. Miss Craver does a lot of observing. The last one, L, at school we learn, so I'm going to put learn. When I'm done, I want to reread my poem to make sure all of these words have to do with my topic, school. Students, classrooms, hallways, objectives, observing, learn. I'm going to put learning. I think that'll sound better. Learning. There we go. So my first acrostic poem is done with just words. I'm going to show you now how I can stretch and challenge myself to use longer phrases or sentences. Let's go. To stretch students, I'm going to say students are here. Classrooms are ready. Hallways are filled with children. Objectives are posted on the board. Observing students. Remember, observing means looking at, watching. Learning is happening. So now that I've stretched my words into short sentences or phrases, I'm going to reread my poem and see how it sounds now. Students are here. Classrooms are ready. Hallways are filled with children. Objectives are posted on the board. Observing students, learning is happening. Now this is a way that you can stretch your acrostic poem to challenge yourself. I'd like to see some of you try that. Now your task was to watch two videos, one on spring and one on Earth Day. You're going to use the information in those videos to help you write your words or use phrases or short sentences on only one of these topics. You're not doing both of them. You're going to just pick one. So pick your favorite one. When you're done, make sure you turn it into me. Once you've turned your poem into me, I'm going to revise and edit them all. And tomorrow, you're going to do something with them. I wonder what?